Being successful, having something more in your life, it's a personal choice. All of you are absolutely incredible. The amount of love that you've given me on my 41st, I am forever grateful. I like to be unique and not call these annual celebrations birthdays, but more of an anniversary of existence, if you will, right? And with every anniversary, it's a great opportunity to reflect on what you potentially had missed over the last year, the reflection like on my face here, and or what you've progressed on and what you've succeeded in over the last 365 days. All of the opportunities. This was a really interesting year for me though, because, well, there's many reasons, but it was enough that I was able to reflect on what I was truly grateful for over this past weekend, and I put it into a video. I hope you guys saw it. It's a video of 5 gratitudes, and if you didn't catch it, if you didn't see it, I'll add the link to the end of this message or this Monday Minute. But I really like to see it because I think we can all reflect on a little more gratitude. But there's one that I neglected. If there was one addition, one reflection that impacted me probably the most over the last year that I know that you are struggling with on a daily basis, is that exactly a year ago, when I turned the big 4-0, at that point in my life, I immediately chose to not associate myself with people who didn't align with my goals. It was really important to me. I edited my relationships. I edited a lot of relationships with people that were negative, always whining, people that poured their problems onto other people. They didn't deserve it, but they were just all over and over, just pouring their issues onto others. They were always the victims of their own circumstances and never took responsibility. And I'll tell you something, wow, what a difference it made over my last year. It's brought incredible clarity and production to where I'm going, where I went over the last 6 months, last year, and where we're going. So listen, I'm not here to motivate you. I'm here today on this Monday to give you a wake-up call. Honestly, it's a reminder. It's a call to action because I care and I try to tell stories that you can resonate with and they're gonna help you out. But with that, being successful, having something more in your life, it's a personal choice. What you choose is what you get, let's be honest. 5 years from now, hell, a year from today, you will be exactly the same person you are, except for the choices that you begin making right now. So, you've heard me say this often, but we make hundreds of choices every day, from what to wear to what to eat for breakfast, to take the stairs instead of the elevator, who we choose to associate with, what we read, what we don't read, what our minds accept as daily belief of ourselves and of others. All the things that I focus on and the processes I really try to focus and instill with in these minutes together, etc. So, we may deem these things as simple habits, but these are transactional choices, insidiously creating who we are today. Now, you can also choose at any point to transform your life. There's 86,400 seconds in a day. I talk about this a lot as well, but at any one of those seconds, bam, you can make a decision to improve the quality of a habit, a choice. This transformational choice is a wise decision that will change the direction of your life. And you've been thinking about this too, haven't you? I know you've been thinking about the things that you've been putting off, the decisions that you've been procrastinating on that's been bottlenecking your life toward a new path to success. But most importantly, we have to alter your significance. You have to want to do that. And what choices are you going to make today and repeat every day to create the future that you want and deserve? Always be the rock barreling through. Because, you know why? Because rock beats scissors, baby. Yeah. But the important thing is that you always have to remember, your present circumstances don't determine where you can go. They merely determine where you start. And you're only one decision away from changing the trajectory of your life. So stay with me, share this message, Make a positive comment below, and let's continue creating the best version of ourselves for a lifetime to come. Don't do it just for today. Don't do it for this week, for the rest of 2018. Guys, we have a lifetime to experience, and we deserve the absolute best. So with that, in great and exceptional health, have an incredible Monday.